Hardy dudes, I get it. You want to know what the best muffler is, right? Well, I know what that is, all right, because I have the best muffler, all right? A lot of people will disagree I have the best muffler, but I want to know how much horsepower their muffler makes, all right? And then we can come back and revisit this argument, all right? Hell yeah, I'm the baddest. Get some. How y'all like that? Oh, sorry. How y'all like that? I call it Donkey Kong. Donkey Schlong. Donkey Kong and Schlonging, right? How the hell yeah. I'm still the best. Get some.